maximum equal effort in all the 247 municipalities of South Africa. So there won't be a municipality where we're not going to put full force. That applies to Cape Metro. We're going to contest against the Democratic Alliance there in full force. In Overberg, Veterans Kloof, in Grabo, everywhere in Swartland, in Wittenberg, everywhere we're going to go full force to contest in the entirety of the Eastern Cape, in all the municipalities in Jotabi, we're going to contest in full force to take Walter Sisulu municipalities, same Elundi, everything. Buffalo City, we're going to go in full force in all the municipalities with the aim of achieving the victory. And what we're going to do successfully is to defend the gains which Umkhonto weSizwe has already recorded here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Umkhonto weSizwe is number one in all the 11 regions of KwaZulu-Natal. We're number one in terms of the number of votes received in the 29th of May. And the number of municipalities where Umkhonto weSizwe is not number one are very few. It's Big Five Hlabisa, we said in the last press conference, it's Big Five Hlabisa in Mkhanyakude, it's Ulundi in Zululand because of the IFP's historical dominance there. It's Mtonjaleni in King, it's Greater Kokstad in Herigwala region, it's Mzumkulu in Herigwala region. But the rest of the municipalities, Umkhonto weSizwe is a decisive number one, inclusive of Abatulusi, of Nongoma, of Dumbe, of all the municipalities that are strategic. Then Hausa in Newcastle, Umkhonto weSizwe is upward of 55%. So those gains are going to be defended much more boldly and without shame, including the ones where Umkhonto weSizwe is number one in the province of Mpumalanga in Gauteng region. Will defend those gains and get to even bring each and every other municipality into the fold of decisive victory. We are a national organization which is going to spread its wings everywhere. It, of course, was not practically possible to could spread the wings of Umkhonto weSizwe in less than 6 months of its existence when the 29 May elections took place. Now there is time to spread the wings of Umkhonto weSizwe, to unite all the progressive forces in all parts of South Africa to achieve a decisive victory. We will definitely be number one after the 2026 local government elections, and we will achieve the envisioned 2/3 majority in 2029 elections. And that victory will be a victory on behalf of the oppressed masses of our people for total emancipation. Thank you very much.
I think that brings to a close the press conference. I want to say thank you very much. See you at the historic first anniversary of Umkhonto weSizwe. You don't want to miss it. It is going to be amazing. Thank you and good day. Thanks.